How exciting. How exciting. I didn't get to keep the box, but I kept the bag to show you guys aesthetically, like, so it's still like exciting. I have not unwrapped this bag yet. Let me show you guys what I got. Let me show you guys what we're here for. This is what this bag looks like, and it is from Versace Couture. So this is what the bag looks like. How exciting. And the little logo things there. See, I got this off of Sense. This bag, look at gold detailing. Isn't it super cute? Like, tell me that's not super cute. Like, look how little it is. So it says Versace Jean Couture. So basically what you can do is adjust the strap here from larger to smaller, and now I'm just unwrapping it. I'm doing a voiceover because there's obnoxious jet skis in the background. I'm just opening it and taking things off so that you guys can. Okay, now I get to wear this purse. I'm so excited. I seen this purse and I was like, oh my god, it's so perfect. It's super cute. Like, look how tiny and cute it is and petite and just super cute and elegant at the same time. Like, tell me that's not super cute. Like, isn't this the cutest little tote you've seen? Like, it is. This is the cross body here. So I'm gonna open. Oh, maybe I should like flip that off. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, now that this is open, I'm gonna show you where to link the hooks, because now you can adjust the belt here for the crossover. So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect this to this hoop and then connect it to the other hoop. So you can wear it like this or like this, and or you can wear it like, of course, like this. Just really exciting. Or without it, like I showed you. So this is so exciting. I love the gold hardware on it. The gold hardware is like super perfect. I love it. And I love that it has this little clip in the middle to keep it kind of from like flopping all over the place. I like that because it gives the bag more structure, and it's just nice to kind of keep it close so nothing falls out, you know. And couture little card. So literally that's what the inside looks like. It's kind of, to me, it's like perfect. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's open, of course. That's the inside, and of course it's a tote bag, so it's a little bit like, you know, the material, it doesn't have, like, it has structure to it, but like then it doesn't at the same time. You can fit a lot in here given that it's such a, like, it's a cute little bag. This is perfect. I'm gonna do a what's in my bag to show you guys like what this specific bag fits. But I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys so you guys can see it, because it is beautiful, like perfect. So I'm basically 5'4", and this bag complements my size personally. And so I wanted to show you like the different ways to kind of wear the bag, to show you that it looks really nice with the dress as well. I paired it with this dress because this dress is really cute, and it also complements the bag, and it also goes with my gold. Noticing you really like me, can control my anxiety, feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me. First, like, I really wanted a tote, and honestly, like, it's such a mature, like, womanly thing to have, is like to own a tote, because like this bag just makes you look so mature. Like a tote bag, a really nice tote bag, it just makes you look so mature and just like you have your life together, kind of, or like you're a businesswoman or something, you know what I mean? For me, it's giving that. I don't know which one, and I wanted a big one and I wanted a small one, so I totally got this one, and I was like, oh my god, I love this one so much. So I totally gonna get the big one as well. Can't wait to get the black one. I want the big black one of this because like I just love this bag so much. It's like beautiful, it's like elegant, it's perfect, it fits a lot, and I'm in love. Like, I can't believe I've never owned a tote before, like ever. This is like my first tote, and I picked it so well because it's perfect. It's white, it's cute, it's elegant, and it's, you know, Versace Jean Couture. It's cute. It's like fashionista. Like it's giving like, I don't know, like just elegance, to be honest. Like, and I'm sure I could wear this to travel in, like, because it's just so convenient. Like, it's just the perfect size. I think it's affordable for a luxury bag. So I think it's pretty reasonable for the price. And given that the quality is amazing. Like, it's great. It's very thick. It has structure, even though it's a tote. Like, that's what I wanted. I don't like totes or like bags that just have too much slouch to it. I like bags that have structure to them. So this is, you know, really nice. For the price point, like, I love it. It's just, it goes with everything. I have a lot of gold jewelry, so it's gonna go with like literally like all my jewelry. I'm really excited about this. Not as tall as I wish I could be. That's why I always wear heels.